it's Nigby. Coming up is my pick and gut of this, which is Bonjuk, a challenge lock based on a Malenko Magnum. There's the key. It's been made for me by Tinnie, totally out of the blue. So go number 56 and Bonjuk on the key. Totally out of the blue, contacted me and said got a challenge lock he'd like to send it that he's made, and that there's a personal little bit just on the inside you'll see on the gutting. I wanted to check with him that I could gut it before and the open was a little bit unexpected, so the video's in various different parts, but very quickly that's my introduction to this. Once again, Tinnie, thanks so much. Number 56, and your cursive engraving, I have to say, is very, very neat, mate. That's brilliant. Here it comes. Okay. Spinning over with the key nicely. Really light tension using this multi-pick, using it upside down just to get over the legs of the sliders. Click on 5. Okay, might be trying to try those sliders now. Yeah, and there we go, got it open. So what happens with this is that ordinarily you get it into a full set once you've set all of the top pins, and that full set just means that you've got the sliders to go. I think what Tinnie has done with this is make pin 4, it must have such a big deep spool on it that you can get to the position where the sliders start binding, and then you set the sliders and that goes even farther, and then from that you're just in an impossible situation where trying to set, well, you think everything's done, but it's pin 4 that's not, and if you go back to pin 4 at that point the sliders all reset and whatever. So yeah, interesting little lock. Took me a good 20 minutes to get an open, and even then I thought, I didn't know what I'd done, I'll be honest with you. I thought there might have even been no sidebar in there, but eased up on the tension and found that the sliders did set. So yeah, that's a really interesting little challenge lock. I wasn't expecting to get it open on camera, and I'm going to check with Tinnie before I gut it. On that, I'll just post this as an open if he doesn't want me to gut it. I know that challenge locks are unusual things. But anyway, Tinnie, thanks so much for the go at this. Really interesting. As I say, you had me completely fooled with those sliders. As I thought that there was even no sidebar in there. Anyway, that's great. If there's nothing else coming, then this is the end of the video. If not, there's a gutting coming up so I can show you the work that he's done on the pins and see if I'm in anywhere close to being right. Okay, I'm back again. He said absolutely fine, gut away. So there we go. Take the lock out of there. Show you a few things about what he sent. Sent it with this absolutely, well, I think this is part of the name, a Bonjuk. I think that's a Bonjuk. Since while I've been waiting for him, been having a look at his spreadsheet, and it explains a little bit about it. It's a Turkish good luck charm. So it's come with this very elaborate key ring. We can lock that back up now. Okay, I may well speed through this part of the gutting. Okay, so oh, look at that, what a nice touch that is. I've got my name engraved on the core. Hey, so there's been some work done on that core as well. Do a quick feel in there. They don't quite catch, but they don't look standard to me. Some very slight, whether it's threading or something that is done on there, but the rest of that does look standard. Okay. Okay, I'll do a close-up photo of this after, and I'll put this in. So yeah, pretty much exactly what I thought. I think that number 4 pin allows the sliders to come into play way before they should be able to, and then your battle is just getting around the spool on that. Couple of notches on there. As I say, I'll put some close-ups photos in. You should have seen those around there. Anyway, there you go. That's I haven't shown you around the Bible. So Bonjuk by Tinnie, number 56, picked and gutted. Thanks, Tinnie.